Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to scan QR code in Weverse app. First of all, open the Weverse application. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. In order to scan the QR code, tap on the more icon that you can see at bottom. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you look at the top right corner, you'll be able to see the scanner icon. Tap on it. Now after that, the QR code scanner will be opened. You'll be able to scan the QR code. You can scan the QR code of the QR survey. If you scan that, you'll be able to participate in the survey. Likewise, if you tap on the option 17, you'll be able to scan the album cover and you'll be able to add the album. Likewise, you can also tap on the option photo card in order to scan the photo card. Like this, you'll be able to scan the QR code. So that is how you scan QR code on Weverse app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.